Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Enjang Saraswati from English Department in STKIP PGRI Trenggalek. Tomorrow I will make a vlog to fulfill my speaking for final project from my handsome lecturer, Mr. Jude Basuki, in one of tourism place in Trenggalek. So see you tomorrow. I will show you the beauty of tourism place in Trenggalek. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, today I will go to the city zoo in Trenggalek and I will show you the beauty of city zoo in Trenggalek. So wait a minute, I will prepare right now. Bye bye. Now I'm ready to go to city zoo Trenggalek. Let's go. The city zoo in Trenggalek is near from my boarding house, so I ride my bicycle to go there.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the park. I don't care, go on and tear me apart.
Okay guys, I arrived in Trenggalek City Zoo. Welcome to Trenggalek City Zoo. The City Zoo in Trenggalek is one of the tourism place in Trenggalek, and when you to go to Trenggalek, you must here because you will regret when you not here. Oh, I'm so tired because I'm very fat to climb the mountain. Look that guys, too many trees here, and so I can refresh my mind here. Oh, so enjoy. And I will show you the flora and fauna here. Okay guys, I will show you the one of the faunas in City Zoo Trenggalek. There is a peacock. The beautiful of peacock. Look at that. So beautiful, right? And beside it is the deer. And the deer is taking a nap right now. Look at that. Too small, right? So we continue our and now I will show you the deer from the near. With it, look at that. There are deers. Hello. So you know I'm coming. Okay guys, because it is time to pray zuhur, I must come back home right now, and see you next time. Bye bye.